How to turn off browsing history on Amazon.com. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off browsing history on Amazon fast and easy. So first thing, go to Amazon.com and go here to the top and search for the browsing history option. It's the fourth one. Click on it like this, and now it will take you to this page. It's your browsing history. Now go to manage history. Now right here you will have the option of turning browsing history on or off. Now click here and it's turned it off. As you can see, your recently viewed items is currently turned off on this browser. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.